Welcome to the newest member of our product family, the solution to facilitate formulation and contribute to radiation protection when handling radiopharmaceutical kits. The KitLab system is a standalone device for the safe processing of PET and other kits. Automated, perfectly user-friendly. But what makes KitLab so outstanding? KitLab is safe. By transferring the manual process to a cassette-based formulation, radiation exposure to the operator can be minimized. KitLab is reliable. The automated processes lead to an uncompromising reproducibility of results. Instead of having to formulate kits by hand, a peristaltic pump transfers all necessary liquids. KitLab is versatile. One device can be used for different applications. KitLab is smart. Just place the RFID card on the RFID reader to load an application. Different card types are available. The admin card allows modifications of the system parameters and gives access to all levels. The cassette card provides information of the associated cassette. Every application cassette is delivered with its corresponding card to load the formulation process automatically and save the batch data of the executed application. The generator card contains and saves all kinds of information of the used generator. And finally, the temp test card, which is used to check the function of different accessories, such as the heater. The automatic data transfer via RFID card with subsequent plausibility check increases process reliability. KitLab is easy. Let's just take a look at the basic handling steps of an application. Connect the standard socket outlet and add all required accessories. Insert the assembled cassette and fix the tubings on the pump head. Connect all tubings as described in the manual. Apply the cassette card. The device now selects the suitable application program automatically. Press Start. All batch data is saved and accessible at any time. KitLab is GMP compliant. The system is suitable for GMP compliant formulation. KitLab is efficient. Take, for instance, the possibility to perform the automated pre-elution of the generator at a scheduled time and date, or the opportunity to easily provide a sterile quality control sample. KitLab is future-proof. You can use it without a computer and can always be sure that this standalone system can be upgraded for further kit applications, for diagnostics and therapies. Safe, reliable, versatile, smart, easy, GMP compliant, efficient, future-proof. Sounds like a very good idea. Well, that's why we've made a device out of it. KitLab will change the way you work. Just contact us and begin with it now.